Hello and welcome to Start of Search classes. Today we are going to solve one question from IIT JAM Biotechnology 2019. As we know that JAM is one of the most important examination in our country for those students who want to join IITs to pursue their master degree courses. We cover all the four topics, that is physics, chemistry, math and biology for biotechnology paper. This is the question number 52 from section 3, that means this is a numerical answer type questions. As we know that in this type of questions we need to find a numerical value as an answer. So here we are given integration, that is integration 0 to pi by 2 x sin x dx, and we need to find the value of this integration. So let's get into the solution. Let I is equals to integration 0 to pi by 2 x sin x dx. Now using integration by parts, we get I is equals to x integration sin x dx minus integration ddx x integration sin x dx dx. So here we get x minus cos x minus cos x, here we get 1, and integration sin x dx is minus cos x, so here we get plus dx. Okay, therefore now we write the limit of the integration. So in the first part we get minus pi by 2 cos pi by 2 and minus 0, plus here we get sin x 0 to pi by 2. As we know that cos pi by 2 is 0, therefore the whole thing becomes 0. And now here we get sin pi by 2 minus sin 0. Now sin pi by 2 is 1 and sin 0 is 0, so our required answer is 1. So 1 is the answer of this question. So we have successfully solved this question, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.